Hello, I'm Elizabeth and this is your planning mentor. Today we have the unboxing of the July Graceful Muse Paperie and I'm very excited about this. Here we have our vellum, July, chapter 7, and her vellum is very nice and thick, as you can hear. Then we have this beautiful piece of scrapbook paper. Look at this, with all this gold foiling. Got a hammock and a bicycle. These look like peonies, maybe. I think those are peonies. Yes, those are peonies. We got the swing from an arbor. Look at the little puppy. Some writing. And it looks like a planner underneath there. Look how pretty. And then on the back, we have this beautiful print and some pressed flowers, looks like. And I like to put this, I can tell that I'm going to need to put this, I like this for my Hobonichi cover. Look how pretty that's going to be on the Hobonichi. And we have our stickers. First we have our cardboard dashboard, this beautiful arbor. So beautiful. You know, actually, I think those are roses now that I'm looking at them. And I see them on the arbor. Very beautiful. This kit is called Staycation, and we have some postage stamp type stickers with the decal cut on the side, and that is foiled. Beautiful pale pinks and blues. Here's our July calendar, chapter 7. That is just gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. We've got a corner shop here, bicycle, girl on her phone. Oh, it's a sparkler, like for 4th of July. We've got a puppy, and we've got a planner and a beautiful cup of tea. Or actually, that's probably cappuccino since it's got the heart foam on top. Another girl on her phone. Beautiful chair. I want to sit in that chair in that garden, wherever that is. Girl reading. Look at that yummy drink. A hammock and a nice sandwich. Beautiful. This is floral bouquets, and look at these, or bouquets. Look at these beautiful, look at this beautiful foiling. These huge roses, so full. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Here's our large illustrations one. Again with that, I want to sit there. And a little Vespa here. I don't know, to me all these little motorbikes are Vespas, but I'm probably incorrect in that. Here are our large florals. Oh my gosh, that is stunning. Look at that. Oh, look how beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. These are some of my, like this is what my garden, this is what I want my garden to be. Here's our torn washi. Now what's interesting about this is that it's printed, so it's not going to be clear. You've got that white edge. Don't know that I like that. I'm not sure. I'll have to see how it looks. So that's partly why I get the clear, is because I don't want that edge showing. But we'll see. I might like it. Very pretty, those colors. Here we have our this month goals. See, now let's look. Yeah, see? I don't know. I really like the clear. Beautiful foiling though. Very pretty. And then we have this washi, and again, this is split down the middle. So it's actually 4 pieces here. Or you could put it next to each other and make a big strip like that. Very pretty. More days of the week, more numbers. Very pretty. This is a gorgeous kit. So to recap, we've got our days of the week and our numbers, our split washi, days of the week this month, washi strips, bouquet, big edge pieces of bouquets. What do they call that? Large florals, large illustrations 1, floral bouquets, illustrations 2, illustrations 1, calendar, beautiful postage stamps, our dashboard, our vellum, and this beautiful double-sided paper. Thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate any time that you choose to spend watching my channel. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.